Hello everyone, welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video, we are uncovering 5 meme coins that could potentially do 2 to 1000x, and of course a few other more OG projects out there that are looking very bullish and could reflect some gains right here in the crypto market. So right now, meme coins looking strong. We can see they are not bad at all, but I really just want to quickly focus on Shiba Inu price flash because there's a big buy signal. A 25% rally is looking likely based on the fact that 2 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been accumulated and just swallowed whole by a whale in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu, Shiba on the verge of a surge, question mark. So that's one thing for sure that we've got to consider right now, because Shiba, Doge kind of control the markets. They are the barometer of the meme coin sector, and over the last 7 days it's looking very, very good, nothing short of impressive. Overall, this is going to be coin number 1 of the video, but we can see right now Shiba is consolidating within a symmetrical triangle, and effectively this is a consolidation phase where we're getting convergence of resistance and support. We found the liquidity, had the accumulation zone down below at like 0.000019 and 2, and we are getting that positive momentum. We're getting that bullish momentum at the moment here for meme coins in the markets, and if we do get that blast up, I think we could hit the next psychological barrier at 0.0003 for Shiba, reflecting around a 20% gain here for the coin. So it is looking strong. Shiba Army is looking strong at $15 billion market capital. Still got to claw back quite a way in terms of its previous MC. All-time high at $35 billion over there, but we did recently hit a 20 plus billion in April, so still a long way to go. It's still a possibility, but not a guarantee. Shiba Inu, bullish factors here. We could see basically Shiba Inu whales are still active, but it doesn't really help according to this article, which is all fully subjective. But in this perspective here, it says investors can expect SHIB to rally and tag the 0.000315 resistance level. So that's an area, a point of interest that could potentially happen over the, the short term here. Market is looking bullish, very, very fiery today. Lots of green here, not a single red really, except AR token. So we've had a strong week, a strong day, and this could be a very, very good end to May and hopefully a strong beginning to June when it finally happens, which is just around the corner. Memes are at $58.5 billion, so meme is a huge narrative right now. That brings us to coin number 2 in this video, which is DogeVerse, which will be launching very soon at low market cap, below $20 million. A 10x will take that to 200 million. A 100x will take this to $2 billion. And we've called before big coins out there in the crypto space like Smog Token, Sponge, Tamadoge, Sealana, the list really goes on. And DogeVerse has given me that similar feeling here. It says DogeVerse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. I've got a link down below for you guys to buy this one by connecting your wallet if you want to. Not financial advice. And it's effectively a multi-chain meme coin where you can buy it across 6 different exciting chains, which will really help support that sort of liquidity as well through 6 different big major trading pairs across hopefully DEX and centralized exchange. So we'll be going live very soon. Time is running out. If you want to get some of it, the link is down below before all those tokens are gone, which will be very soon, because things sell fast when that retail market comes back. First centralized exchange listings will happen in the cosmic travel phase, which is phase 5, and phase 4 you've got the expansion phase, which also hints at the first decentralized exchange listing. DogeVerse have only 200 billion tokens, 30% being allocated to the pre-sale, which is 30 billion right there, which will be swooped up very, very quickly indeed. And again, it's a coin with no inflation, no sort of dilution, 200 billion fixed tokens right there, and they really want to destroy the meme market. They are hungry to take control, capture that market share, really capture the attention of the mainstream media, and they're getting tons of likes and retweets over here as well. So DogeVerse looking strong. Also have staking too. Coin number 3 is going to be Pepe. Pepe is also absolutely flying right now. Pepe is $0.00001115. What makes Pepe so strong is that it's on the brink of breaking through an all-time high. In fact, it could do that by the end of today, depending on whether this can close in green or red. But if we flip to that 4-hour, you can see we're sitting in this beautiful looking bull flag. If we do get some continuation here for Pepe, we may even see a little tap into this region here at 0.000012 to hit that sort of point, sort of 2618, 1618 fib level, sort of sit in between. That could actually happen there, everyone. And if you want to be even more sort of old school, you can take the flagpole length, and then you can assume that on breakout, you might even travel up to 136 level here for the Pepe coin itself. So obviously a big pattern, a very strong symmetrical triangle / bull flag, state of consolidation as the result of bullish momentum here in the markets. Pepe coin could be the next one to rise again. So will Pepe pump more? Big question, but I think Pepe is gearing up for another all-time high very soon. It's looking strong, stronger than ever in fact, and yeah, hopefully more to come there. Coin number 4 is going to be WienerAI. WienerAI is part sausage, part dog, an artificial intelligence meme coin with a very vibrant and strong community and culture. So WienerAI have raised $2.455 million. At $2.7 million, the price will go up again. So looks good. I do hold actually quite a lot of this token myself because I'm bullish on it. You know, I really think the developers could do a good job with this one here. Strong tokenomics. They've got 69 billion total tokens. The ecosystem breaks down here. Even if you know it's kind of like a funny sort of sausage dog, you got to take it seriously with its AI features such as AI enhanced trading, a solid interface that's got an instant predictive and noob friendly model to help sort of give those signals. You've got seamless sausage swap, which sounds like a DEX. Zero fees. WienerAI does not charge any fees. Good doggy. And MEV protection as well. So good tokenomics of 69 billion, solid looking roadmap, and a good project overall with 9,500 followers right there. And they're also posting every single day to get that engagement, to get those sort of impressions and really hype up their communities. Link down below for WienerAI if you want to check it out. Like I said, links are down there, not financial advice. Coin number 5 is going to be the last one, Sealana. Sealana right here. 1 seal equals 0.022. The current raise is $2.2 million. If you got into Slothana recently, you're up over 5x. This is another interesting one you can buy in Solana, but also with Ethereum and BP20 if you wish. This is a degen coin, high risk, high reward. That is the entire website right there. You can buy this coin with hope for it to pump on launch, and when it does end, you can claim the tokens on the website to get them directly added to your wallet. This is Sealana with 5,000 followers, and you can see they're getting tons and tons of impressions and retweets and likes here. It's a funny kind of meme coin project, which is you know, really part of the Solana degen ecosystem, but it could actually do quite well. So the link is down below for Sealana as well. To break down this video, we had Shiba Inu at number 1, which is really showing good bullish signs at the moment. We then had DogeVerse, which will be launching very soon. Could be one of the biggest sort of pre-sales coming up for the meme coin environment. Coin number 3 is Pepe the Frog, because Pepe is really teasing that it might break through all-time high very soon with all this kind of hype and greed coming through, especially with the markets picking back up. You can see we're at extreme greed again. Coin number 4, WienerAI, a new coin which could launch on 10 to 100 extra money with its low market cap sort of statistics. And then Sealana as well, coin number 5, link down below. There it is, 5 coins that look good for this current week. Memes are strong, so hopefully everything meme could do quite well. But remember, this isn't financial advice. Please subscribe, like if you're new here, and bye for now.